Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. Now in this video we are going to discuss higher order thinking skill sums of chapter number 1 for standard 9. So let's start with question number 1. Here we have to find the value of this root 32 plus root 48 whole divided by root 8 plus root 12. Done? So these are the irrational numbers and we have to find the value of this entire expression. So let's try to solve this question. So here first we write the value of root 32. So what is root 32? Root 32 is nothing but the 16 to the 32. Writing the number as a factor which consists of perfect square number. So 32 whose factors are 16 into 2, where 16 is perfect square number. Done? So if the perfect square number is there in the sign of square root, we can easily find its square root. So here square root of this 16 is 4 and the square root of this 2 is root 2. So this one is 4 root 2. We can simply replace this root 32 with 4 root 2. Done? Now same way 48 is there. So here again we have to write this 48 as a factor which consists of one perfect square number. So factors of this 48 are 16 3s are 48. Done? So here square root of 16 is 4, so it's a 4 root 3. Same way root 8 is there. 8 can be written as 4 2s are 8. This is equal to 2 root 2. Same way root 12 is there. So 12, how can 12 can be written? It can be written as 4 3s are 12. So it's a 2 root 3. Done? So 8 is 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 16 3s are and 16 2s are. Done? So now we are replacing these numbers with this simplified number. So now our question is find the value of root 32 plus root 48 divided by root 8 plus root 12. So this is equal to root 32. Root 32 is nothing but the 4 root 2 plus root 48 which is nothing but the 4 root 3 divided by root 8 which is 2 root 2 plus root 12 which is equal to 2 root 3. So students, here we can say from numerator we can take 4 common. So remaining terms are root 2 plus root 3, and from denominator we can take 2 as a common. So it's a 2 into remaining terms are root 2 plus root 3, root 2 plus root 3. So here you can see this root 2 plus root 3, root 2 plus root 3 equal term, it can be cancelled out, and here 2 2s are 4. Therefore our answer is 2. Done? Find the value of this expression and the value is 2. Done? आ गया समझ में? चलो. Now read this question number 2. Here we are given that if value of root 2 is 1.4142, then find the value of this expression. The given expression is root of root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. तो देखो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. So here we will start with the given expression. So given expression is square root of root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Done? So here we can say in denominator irrational number is there. So whenever the denominator is irrational number, we have to perform rationalization. So here we have to multiply this expression with the rationalization factor of this denominator. So what is the rationalization factor of this denominator? Root 2 plus 1 sign is there, and for the rationalization factor we have to change the sign. So it's a root 2 minus 1. So rationalization factor is root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. क्लियर हुआ? यस. Now it's a square root of multiplication, root 2 minus 1 into root 2 minus 1. So it's a root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now in the denominator it's a root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1. So it's a plus b into a minus b type of multiplication. So it will be a square minus b square. Our a is root 2 and b is 1. So this is equal to, now here we are using two identities, a minus b whole square in numerator, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square आइडेंटिटी. एंड डिनोमीटर यहाँ पर हमने यूज़ किया a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी, दैट इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वेयर माइनस बी स्क्वेयर, है ना. बाइनोमियल विथ बाइनोमियल, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ बाइनोमियल विथ बाइनोमियल, in which first term consists of plus sign and another term consists of minus sign. So expansion is first term square minus second term square. So here same identity is there, a plus b, a minus b. So its expansion is first term square minus second term square. Is that clear? So now here expansion using first identity क्या होगा? It's a first term square minus 2 into first into second term plus second term whole square. So first term is root 2, second term is 1. It's a minus of 2 into first into second term. First term is root 2, second term is what? Whole divided by, ये एक्सपांशन हमने पहले ही कर दिया है, रूट 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 स्क्वायर. So here simplification is root 2 square is 2 minus 2 into root 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 square is 2 minus 1. Clear? Now here है ना, इसका एक्सपांशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि वो डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट करनी है ना. तो देखो ये यहाँ से आंसर आ गया. सो हियर this one root 2 minus whole square, this can be written as it is root 2 minus 1 whole square divided by root 2 square, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is equal to square root of root 2 minus 1 whole square. So here we can cut this square and square root. So this is equal to root 2 minus 1, है ना. ये एक्सपांशन करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट आंसर आ गया. So it's a root 2 minus 1. What is root 2? Root 2 is 1.4142 minus 1. So 1 minus 1.4142 minus 1, that is equal to 0.4142 is the answer. Clear students? So now pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 3. Here we have to find the value of a. Here we have to find the value of a in this given expression. 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a root 5 minus 19 by 11. So how can you find the value of a in this type of expression? Basically we'll start with this left hand side and we'll convert this expression in this form, and then we will compare this left hand side is equal to right hand side and we'll get the value of this a. Done? How? So let's start with this left hand side. So here given a left hand side is equal to 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5. Done? So now here we perform rationalization because denominator is irrational number. So here rationalization factor for this 3 plus 2 root 5 is 3 minus 2 root 5 upon 3 minus 2 root 5. Now this is equal to, performing the expansion, so it's a 3 minus root 5 whole square, and denominator it's a 3 plus 2 root 5 and 3 minus 2 root 5. Done. Here in numerator we will perform the expansion by using identity a minus b whole square, है ना. लास्ट हमने जो हमने वहाँ पर नोट डाउन किया था a minus b whole square. So it's a first term square minus 2 into first into second term plus second term square divide by it's a plus b into a minus b identity. So it's a square minus b square. Put the values a minus b whole square. So a is 3, b is root 5, this is 3, this is root 5. Now this one is 3 square minus 2 root 5 square. Clear है. Now 3 square is 9 minus 3 to the 6 root 5 plus root 5 square is 5. Done. 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4 and root 5 square 5, 4 to the, है ना. देखो 2 square 4 and root 5 square 5, so 4 5s are 20. So this is equal to what we can write, 9 plus 5, so it's a 14, 9 plus 5 14 minus root 6 5. So here we have to write this one as a minus root 6 minus 6 root 5 plus 14 divided by this one is minus 11. So here this is nothing but the 19 आना चाहिए. 3 square 9 root 5 square 5. So this is equal to, कौन से फॉर्म में है देखो, this is equal to okay students. Now question number 3. Here you have to find the value of this a in 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a root 5 minus 19 by 11. Done. So how to solve this type of question? Here in this expression we have to find the value of this a. So let's start with this left hand side. So given left hand side is 3 minus root 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 5. Now here we are performing the rationalization of denominator because denominator is irrational number. Whenever the denominator is irrational number, we have to convert that irrational number into rational number. So for that we have to perform a rationalization, and for rationalization we require rationalization factor. And here for this denominator rationalization factor is 3 minus 2 root 5 upon 3 minus 2 root 5. Now this is equal to performing multiplication on numerator. So it's a 3 minus root 5 into 3 minus 2 root 5, and here we are having 3 plus 2 root 5 and 3 minus 2 root 5. Done. So expansion, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 6 root 5 minus root 5 into 3, so it's a minus 3 root 5 and again minus minus plus root 5 into root 5, 5 into 2, so it's a 10 आएगा 10. चलो upon this one is a plus b into a minus b form, so it's a first term square minus second term square. So 3 square 9 and 9 नहीं लिखना है, 3 लिखना है, 2 root 5 स्क्वायर बाद में करेंगे. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू minus 6 minus 3 minus root 5, 9 plus 10 plus 19 divided by 3 square 9 minus 2 root 5 square, so 2 square 4 and 5 square 5, so 5 4s are 20, this is 20. So this is equal to minus 9 plus root 5 plus 19 divided by minus 11. Now can we write this minus 11 separately इन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ दिस न्यूमरेटर, दोनों टर्म के नीचे ये लिखेंगे, यस। सो -9 √5 अपॉन -11 प्लस 19 upon -11, so this will be minus and this will be minus minus plus. Done. So this is the value of left hand side, this is the value of left hand side, and that is equal to this right hand side. So can we write this is equal to this one, a √5 minus 19 by 11. Done. This is given, this is given. So on comparison, here you can say, here the coefficient of √5 is 9 by 11 and here coefficient of √5 is a, this is a. Done. So this is a equal to 9 by 11. Our answer is, therefore on comparison a will be 9 upon 11. Clear students? So this is how you can solve this type of questions. Higher order thinking skill. Now let's try to solve this question number 4. Here in this question, previous question, we are asked to find the value of only one variable, that is a. Done. Here two unknown variables are there, a and b. So find the value of a and b. For that we'll follow the same procedure. We'll start with this left hand side, simplify this left hand side, convert this left hand side in the form of this given right hand side, and then we will compare this right hand side with the simplified form of this left hand side. We will get the values of a and b. Done. Let's try to solve. Let's start with the left hand side, है ना. तो ये हो गया हमारा पार्टीशन. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस वन, है ना. यही से स्टार्ट करें ना. परफॉर्म क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. So this will be 7 plus √5 होल स्क्वायर माइनस ये 7 माइनस √5 यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो इट्स 7 माइनस √5 होल स्क्वायर, और डिनोमिनेटर में ये दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होंगे. सो इट्स 7 माइनस √5, 7 प्लस √5. डन, है ना. कैसे हुआ ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन? सपोज इफ़ यू आर गिवन a बाई बी प्लस c बाई डी, कैसे करेंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो इट्स ए डी प्लस बी सी, इसको यहाँ और दोनों को नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, बी डी. डन. सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो गया. नाउ एक्सपांशन. दिस इज अवर ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर माइनस दिस इज अवर ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज अवर ए माइनस बी इंटू ए प्लस बी. ऑल थ्री आइडेंटिटीज दैट वी हैव स्टडीड इन अवर 8th स्टैंडर्ड. डन. सो इट इज एक्सपांशन. डायरेक्ट करें, चलो फॉर्मूला लिखते हैं. फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू फर्स्ट इंटू सेकेंड टर्म प्लस सेकेंड टर्म स्क्वायर. सो हियर फर्स्ट टर्म इज 7, इसको हम लास्ट टर्म भी बोलते हैं. तो 7 √5 माइनस अगेन एक्सपांशन a माइनस b. सो माइनस साइन विल बी देयर. फर्स्ट टर्म स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू फर्स्ट इंटू सेकेंड टर्म प्लस second term square. So it's 7 √5, 7 √5. Understood? Now in denominator we are having a minus b, a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b is first term square minus second term square, 7 √5. Clear? Now simplify this. 7 square 49 plus 7 2 जा 14 √5 plus √5 square 5 minus 7 square 49 minus 7 2 जा 14 √5 plus 5 divide by 7 square 49, 5 square √5 square is 5. Now here 49 plus 5 54, 54 plus 14 √5 minus it's a 54 plus 14 √5. Done. And divide by 49 minus 5, 44. Done. So here ये कट हो गया, 54 माइनस 54 0, 14 प्लस 14 28 रूट 5, 28 रूट 5 डिवाइड बाई 44। कटिंग करेंगे तो क्या होगा कटिंग, 7 4 से करेंगे, 4 7 जा 4 11 जा, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 7 रूट 5 बाई 11, 7 root 5 by 11. So here this can be written as, can we write this one as a 0 0 plus 7 by 11, 7 by 11, 0 plus 7 by 11 root 5, and compare this simplified left hand side with this given right hand side. Given right hand side is a plus 7 by 11 root 5 into b. So here what are the values of a and b on comparison, है ना. Here we can write on comparison on both side. We can say this value of a is nothing but the 0. So a is 0, and here value of b, here we can write this one as in multiplication of 1. So b equal to 1. Clear students? So very good questions are there. Pause this video and note it down. Okay students, now question number 5. This is one type of questions. Here we are given value of a, and then we need to find the value of a plus 1 by a, or a square plus 1 by a square, or a cube plus 1 by a cube, or a raised to 4 by 1 upon a raised to 4. ऐसे कोई भी टाइप में के क्वेश्चन में, है ना. सपोज इफ यू आर गिवन a and we have to find this a square plus a square, we have to start with a, है ना. स्टेप बाय स्टेप देखो कैसे करना है. we will start with given a. From this given a, we will try to find the value of 1 upon a. So what is 1 upon a? 1 upon a is the reciprocal of a. This is equal to reciprocal of this one, 2 upon 3 plus root 5. So here to find the value of 1 upon a, this denominator is irrational number. Denominator is irrational number, and hence we have to perform rationalization. So it's a 2 upon 3 plus root 5. Rationalization is rationalization factor. Multiplying this number with rationalization factor, here denominator is 3 plus root 5. So its rationalization factor is 3 minus root 5. जो भी साइन है उसके ऑपोजिट साइन लेनी है. न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So it's a 1 upon a equal to, now multiplication on numerator, it's a 2 into 3 minus root 5 upon this one is first term square minus second term square. This is root 3, this is root 5. So 1 upon a equal to, this one is 2 into 3 minus root 5. Here 3 square is 9 and root 5 square is 5. So this one is 3 minus root 5, 2 into 3 minus root 5 upon 4. Cutting is 2 2s are 4. Hence here we are getting 1 upon a equal to 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. 3 minus root 5 divided by 2. Clear? So in this type of sum, whenever a is given, and if you want to find a plus 1 upon a square plus 1 upon a square, first we will find a plus 1 upon a. So now students, what is the value of a plus 1 upon a? A is given, which is 3 plus root 5 by 2 plus 1 upon a that we have derived, which is equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2. So here we can take 2 as a LCM. So addition in numerator, it's a 3 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5. this is equal to plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel out, 3 plus 3 6 by 2, 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So here we are getting a plus 1 upon a equal to 3. Done. But our question is find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. Square आना चाहिए. So now taking square on both side, taking square on both sides, है ना. स्क्वायर लेंगे तो ये ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर की टर्म आएगी. सो दिस विल बी ए प्लस 1 अपॉन ए स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 3 स्क्वायर इज 9. नाउ इट्स अगेन square of binomial, so perform expansion. So it will be a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square is equal to 9. This will be cut. So in the left hand side we are having a square plus 1 upon a square equal to, taking this 2 on the right hand side, so it's a 9 minus 2, and hence now we are getting our answer a square plus 1 by a square, 9 minus 2 is 7. A square plus 1 by a square equal to 7, that we have to find. Clear students? So very important question is there. So now pause this video and note it down.